Hello and welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble the candy dispenser ribbon. So I have all my items cut out. I also have my 70 mm ornaments. I have my adhesive. This is my own brand. You can find it on my site. I have my glue gun, and I also have something to write with. So a pen, pencil is preferred. I don't have a pencil right now. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is assemble my spoon mechanism. So it's these pieces and these two washers here. So the first thing I want to do is glue these two pieces together on top of each other. I haven't even fully got all my pieces out. Okay, there we go. So you're going to just glue it just like that. Then you're going to take this piece here, and we're going to take the two middle flaps and squeeze them together just like this. And you're going to take your two washers, and you're going to place them on top. These washers are important. It just gives the opening and closing a little room so it can move without friction. Now you're going to take this piece and you're going to stick it between this flap right here, just like this. And you're going to stick it between those two flaps, and we're going to open up those flaps just like this. Now you should have a piece that goes like this. All right, now we're going to take one of our bottom pieces and we're going to glue this here. Now I like to do it when my piece is open, so I know I'm getting my circle lined up just like this. So you don't want to glue this little piece here. Do not glue that, because if you do, you won't be able to move your mechanism. So we're just going to put glue on these pieces here. And now we're going to glue it down over the hole like this. Now you should have a piece that now you're going to take this piece and we're going to glue it on top just like this. You don't want to glue the space where this is going to be touching. So what I do is just open it up, and then I put glue everywhere my piece is. Doesn't. So we're gonna glue that down. But all right. Now the next thing I do is since I have a round piece already, I'm going to just set it here, and then you draw my circle instead of taking my ornament, placing it and drawing my circle. So I'm going to just see where my item goes. Now I'm going to take my pen, since I don't have a pencil, and I'm going to draw my circle. So you guys can see my circle. Now I'm going to take my ornament and place it over the circle. So this piece here, you guys can clip that if you want. I'm going to leave it there, but I'm going to make it go towards the bottom. Now I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to go around my ornament. Okay, so once you did that, you want to let it dry. And then we're going to start putting the items onto our ribbon. So, you guys can use pop. Oh, no, I think I got it. Put it in the right spot. Again, you guys can use pop dots, or tape, to give it a 3D effect when you are piecing these things together. I won't be doing that in this tutorial. All right, y'all. Now we have our ribbon done. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. Until next time, happy crafting.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop. Give it